this is Melanie. Today we'll learn how to find a scholarly article using a research database. We're starting at the library homepage, ltcc.edu/library. Click Find Articles. This brings you to our research databases. These are subscriptions to magazines, newspapers, and scholarly research articles. I recommend starting with Academic Search Complete. This is our largest database and has articles on a variety of different subjects. Today we'll search for my favorite topic, pet therapy. Anytime you're doing research, you want to think about what synonyms or related terminology might be useful. For example, pet therapy could also be called animal-assisted therapy or dog therapy. Using OR is telling the database that we want articles on any of these terms. That brought back over 11,000 results, so we're going to go back to our search and narrow it down by adding an additional topic. You might be interested in pet therapy for a particular population. So in this example, I'm interested in pet therapy for college or university or higher education. Again, we're using OR between our synonyms or related terms. So we went from over 11,000 to 7,000. That's still a lot. Let's try the search one more time. This time, we're going to add quotation marks. Anytime we have a phrase, two or more words that should appear in that particular order, we put quotation marks around them. For this example, we don't need quotation marks around college or university. Those are single words, but all these other words are phrases. Higher education, those two words should appear right next to each other. So we went from 11,000 to 7,000, now down to 500. A couple other things you can do. Click Peer Reviewed. This means that these articles are written by experts, reviewed by other experts. You can also limit to the last 5 years or a specific date range. So now we have 200 results. That's a much more manageable search. Scrolling through, reading some of the article titles, you might see one that catches your eye. Here you can download the article. You can look at the subject terms that the researchers used. You can see the abstract or summary of the research that they conducted and their preliminary findings. You can also cite your article using APA or MLA. Those are the most common citation styles. You can share your article, saving it to Google Drive or OneDrive, or I like to email articles to myself. That way when I'm writing my paper, I know I've got all those full text PDFs in my inbox when I'm going to write the paper and cite those sources. Anytime you're doing research, if you find you're not sure where to start, what keywords or synonyms to use, how to make your search more focused or more specific, just ask a librarian. We're so happy to help.